Hello. The student that I believe did not get the support for his academic, behavioral, social, emotional, and mental health needs, I'll call him Jay, was in the 5th grade and would have benefited greatly from the MTSS framework and the ideas behind the continuum of support. Specifically, using the whole child domain, inclusive behavior instruction, and the integration of behavior supports would have resulted in a better outcome for Jay. Integration of Tier 2 support and targeted interventions in conjunction with culturally relevant and responsive teaching practices, Jay would have received the universal support that he deserved. He also needed intensified support and differentiated instruction using the implementation of the universal design for learning. Thank you.